Hello, my name's Judith Mader. I'm very much looking forward to meeting you all at the Executive English Village, where Rudi Camerer and I will be moderating workshops on intercultural communication. Rudi and I have worked together for many years. He will be introducing himself in a separate video. Intercultural communication is a really hot topic in business at the moment, but thinking about what it means often raises more questions than answers. In our workshops, we'll be trying to find the answers to some of these questions, and I hope we'll be successful. My own interest in intercultural communication is personal as well as professional. I come from a very intercultural background and have family members from all over the world, almost all the continents, speaking a variety of different languages. I've lived and worked in several countries and have learnt a lot through my own experience about what intercultural communication means, how it works, and sometimes doesn't work. I hope this gives you an idea of what we'll be dealing with in our workshops. We'll be back soon with more detailed and exciting information about the workshops. Looking forward to meeting you in person. Bye!